Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro. Today, we dive into the much anticipated return of the Hero Xtreme 200R in 2025. After its initial discontinuation, Hero MotoCorp has revived the model with fresh upgrades, better performance, and a modern design. So, is this bike worth the hype? Let's find out. Design and styling. The 2025 Hero Xtreme 200R sports a more aggressive and muscular look compared to its predecessor. The sharp LED headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and sporty graphics give it a dynamic road presence. The redesigned split seat and new LED tail lamp add to its premium appeal. Hero has clearly focused on making the Xtreme 200R stand out in the 200cc segment. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Xtreme 200R continues with its refined 199.6cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. However, Hero has fine-tuned it to meet the latest emission norms while delivering a punchy performance. The engine produces around 18 to 20 bhp, offering a strong mid-range for effortless city rides and occasional highway cruising. Paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox, the bike ensures a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Features and technology. Hero has equipped the Xtreme 200R with modern features to compete with rivals. A fully digital instrument cluster now displays real-time mileage, gear position, and Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone pairing. Dual-channel ABS is standard, providing better braking confidence. The inclusion of a slipper clutch enhances ride comfort, especially in traffic. Ride and handling. With a well-tuned telescopic front fork and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, the Xtreme 200R offers a stable and comfortable ride. The 17-inch alloy wheels, paired with grippy tires, ensure good road feedback. Whether navigating city streets or taking on twisty roads, the bike remains planted and predictable. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Hero has always been known for fuel-efficient bikes, and the Xtreme 200R is no exception. Expect a mileage of around 35 to 40 km/h, making it a practical choice for daily commuters. With a 12.5-liter fuel tank, long rides become more convenient with fewer refueling stops. Pricing and conclusion. Hero MotoCorp has positioned the Xtreme 200R competitively, likely in the 1 rupee and 4 paise -1.6 lakh range ex-showroom. It offers an appealing package for riders seeking a stylish, powerful, and feature-loaded 200cc motorcycle without breaking the bank. So, is the 2025 Hero Xtreme 200R the right bike for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Bike Reviews Pro for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe.